This lovely piece of birch is what I'm going to use for this small jewelry box slash ring box project. The grain of the wood is very uneven, which in my opinion can be a very nice thing for handcrafted items, since you can lean into the more organic, imperfect look. The most difficult part of this jewelry box project is getting all the pieces to match. And since I'm limited to these tools, I had to make this assisting piece. With the help of this 45-degree angle on a bigger piece of wood, it's easier to cut the same angle on the walls of the box too. Since I don't have a planer, I decided that a textured surface would be much nicer than hand sanding everything. I also really like the texture that this small chisel makes, and the relaxed nature of carving this kind of a more organic surface. The leftover piece from the 45-degree angle turned out to be really helpful in finishing the walls before gluing. Here I'm using hot glue simply because I only have one clamp, but wood glue is definitely a better option for durability and a clean finish. In any case, a support block with a 90-degree angle can be used for gluing like I'm doing here. Now that I already have one 90-degree angle, I can use it to make the remaining edges cleaner like this. And since one of the remaining edges was a rougher cut than the other, here I'm sanding only the rough one while still being able to use the other one as support for the right angle. The methods I'm using, although very accessible, create a lot of imperfections, so a lot of back and forth adjusting is needed. Now that the already glued walls will create pressure, I won't need any clamps and can use wood glue, which luckily will make the entire structure a little more durable. The lid will be fitted similarly to the bottom, but I also have to carve some extra space on the inside because the box turned out to be quite shallow.